Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. In this quick video, I'll be talking with you about one very basic thing when we sometimes struggle to find out, which is how can we find our motherboard model number. So I will just quickly show you a simple command with the help of whom you can easily find it. The motherboard model number is very useful if you want to install compatible driver to a system. So let me quickly show you how you can. Okay, so now what you need to do, just press Windows button and R together, and here you will see this run toolbar will appear. So let's say you still not able to do so, and you can click here on Windows button. So it really doesn't matter whether you are working in Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 or 11. So you need to click here and then here type run. After that you can run this application and you will reach to the same application, and now here you need to type the following command, which is msinfo32. Just type it and then hit enter, or you can press OK. Now here you will find the entire system summary of your system, including the detail of your motherboard and motherboard manufacturer. So if I want to find my motherboard model, so here I can see my motherboard model is Z390UT. If I also want to know the system manufacturer or the board manufacturer, then here I can see it is Gigabyte Technology Corporation Limited. So with the help of these two information, I can easily find drivers and other support in internet. Now I just need to search for Z390UT, and in this way I can easily download and find the required support for my motherboard. So that's all guys from my side in this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.